In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your saved job posts on LinkedIn, an essential skill for keeping track of the opportunities you're interested in. Whether you're actively seeking a new job or just keeping an eye out for interesting opportunities, knowing where to find your saved job posts can make your job search far more organized. Let's get started. First, you need to make your way to LinkedIn's website by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to linkedin.com. Once there, log into your account using your username and password. If you happen to be using a shared or public computer, be sure to log out when you're finished to keep your account secure. Now that you're on the LinkedIn homepage, turn your attention to the top navigation bar. Click on the Jobs icon. This icon might look like a briefcase and is typically located toward the middle of the options at the top of your screen. Clicking this will take you to the Jobs section of LinkedIn, your central hub for all things career-related, including job postings, saved jobs, and job recommendations. In the Jobs section, look for a button that says My Jobs. This should be located on the left-hand side of the page, usually under the search bar. By clicking on My Jobs, you'll be directed to a page that displays all the jobs you've saved, along with any recent job alerts and applications you've submitted. This is where LinkedIn archives every job post you've marked as interesting for future reference. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area. Here, your saved jobs are listed clearly, making it easy to review each one at your convenience. If you find that you've applied to a job or no longer want to keep a specific job on your list, you can remove it by simply clicking the three dots next to the job listing and selecting Unsave. Additionally, you can sort these saved jobs by date saved, allowing you to prioritize your applications or revisit old listings with ease. If you wish to take action on any saved job, such as applying or reaching out to the recruiter, you can do it directly from this section. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily navigate LinkedIn and keep track of the job opportunities that interest you. This neat feature simplifies your job hunting process by organizing all saved posts in one convenient location and allows you to manage your career moves smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and may your job search on LinkedIn be both efficient and successful.